Let's take a look at our fifth type. You should know. And let's write down the matrix goes along with this. We got 2, 3, negative 1, 4, 5, negative 4, negative 2, 1, 4, 6, negative 2, and 8. 2, 3, negative 1, 4, 5, negative 4, negative 2, 1, 4, 6, negative 2, 8. Okay, let's put this in our calculator and do RREF. So I'm going to go to my matrix menu, second x to negative 1. This is a 3 by 4, so 3 enter, 4 enter. And 2, 3, 2, 3, negative 1, 4, 5, negative 4, negative 2, 1, 4, 6, negative 2, and 8. 8, 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, negative 1, negative 2, 3, negative 4, 6, 2, 5, 4. Okay, that'll check. Exit out. Make sure you do a second mode. And now I'll do my second x to negative 1, right arrow to math, up arrow to RREF. Enter on it. Go back in my matrix menu. Enter on A, and enter again. Now we get decimals, but we know how to handle that. We press math, enter, enter. Now we had 3 variables, 3 equations. If we look at our first 3 by 3 square, we don't see a diagonal 1, 0 everywhere else. So this tells us it's one of our oddball cases. So let's write down what we've got left. 1, 0, negative 10 over 23. 0, 1, negative 1 over 23. 0, 0, and 0, I guess. And there's more to the right we can't see, so we scroll to the right by doing a right arrow key. And it looks like 19 23rds and 18 over 23. Now when we have our last row is all zeros, that's our infinite solutions answer. And what we do is we put our x, y's, and z's back in. So put our x, y, and z and our equals back in. Then x, y, and z and our equals. Now there's no need to do it to the last row. Now our first one is x minus 10 23rds z equals 19 23rds. Our second one, the zeros drop away. So we got y minus 1 23rd z is equal to 18 over 23. Now our first equation, we want to solve for the first variable. So I take the negative 10 23rds z to the right side. Becomes a positive 10 23rds z plus 19 23rds. And this, I'll take the negative 1 23rd, second equation, solve for the second variable. So I take negative 1 23rd z over to the right side. It becomes positive 1 23rd z plus 18 over 23. Now our answer is in the form of x, y, z, so we put our x first. Like that. Put our y second. And we put our z last. Now, typically books will use other variables besides z. They'll put s, t, or a, but for purposes of the test, I'm happy right here. But you could put in whatever variables specific to our particular book, if you wanted to.